What's up, everybody? I'm Talent Soldier for Life, and my friend called me over to his house saying that he has a cat problem. So we're going to take care of that today, and I'm here with my trusty companion, Katie. Say a little camera, Katie. Okay, then. So let's go. All right, you ready? Come on. Let's go get that kitty cat. Let's go get that kitty cat. All right, should be around here somewhere. I think I see him. Come on, let's get low. You see him? I'm going in there. I think that's his face. I'll reach my hand in there. Oh my god! Oh, fuck! Oh my god! Don't just stand there. Get Maurice on help me! There he is! There he is! Get him! Oh, oh, got him! Think you could run away from me this time? Huh? Think you run? No! Come on! Piece of fat! Yeah! Yeah! You mess with me, you get the whatever it is. Get back down! Go! Got him locked up. Got him locked up. Alright. Good work, puppy.